Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Dodge Charger PCM step by step. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait 5 minutes, then access the OBD-ROMAN 2 port and connect a compatible scanner to begin the unlock procedure. Read and record any security or fault codes, clear recoverable entries, and follow the scanner prompts to initiate the unlock. Reconnect power, verify PCM communication, and perform a short road test to ensure stable operation and no warning lights. To unlock the PCM, you will need the right tools and information to avoid mistakes. Use a confirmed compatible OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner that supports PCM programming and firmware operations. Keep basic hand tools ready to reach the PCM and safely disconnect the battery terminal. Refer to manufacturer service data for any model-specific steps and torque specs. Work in a dry, well-lit area and keep records of any codes or changes you make during the process. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides, and thanks for being here. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof meal prep containers during long job days to keep lunches tidy and avoid spills. Perfect when you want a clean workspace while working on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them too. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically and stay calm during the unlock process for best results. Start by recording all stored codes and freeze frame data before clearing anything. Make sure the vehicle has stable battery voltage or use a calibrated power supply during programming. Follow the scanner instructions exactly, perform required reboots, and allow the PCM to complete any internal checks. If you see persistent errors or security locks, stop and get professional assistance to prevent bricking the module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.